Hello. And welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we'll explore an exciting new feature called Mass Personalization Enhancement, in version 10.1. Before starting, I would like to ask you one thing. Have your customers requested to have a feature that allows them to create templates, either by uploading an XLS file, or by using a form fill option? We listen to your feedback, and are excited to announce our latest innovation, Mass Personalization in our product settings. Specifically, we've introduced new options for customers to add their data, either by uploading an XLS file, or by using a form fill option. If we talk about the advantages. Enhanced flexibility, customers now have the flexibility to add data either through XML file upload, or through manual data entry into the system. User-friendly interface, for users who are not much familiar with XML files, we have the form fill option, which provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies the data entry experience. Streamlined data input, for both the methods, XML and form fill option, it simplifies the data input process for customers, saving time and effort. Quick setup and customization, with the modified mass personalization setting, the admin can specify which options to offer customers. Let's get started with the admin panel. First, go to the Products, and click on Settings, in the General tab. As you can see, we've made modifications to the mass personalization setting. Simply click on the drop-down menu. Here, you can choose between Upload Excel file, Manual data, or both. Selecting Upload Excel file means that customers will only be able to upload an Excel file with their data. Choosing Manual data means customers will only have the option to manually enter their data using available fields. And if you select both, customers will be able to choose either method. Then we have Default option to select. This means that if admin selects Upload Excel file, then this option will be pre-selected for users on the front store. Similarly, if we pick Manual data, the option Manual data will be pre-selected. Next, we have to allow mass personalization for images elements. If we enable this option, then the customers will be allowed to personalize images in the mass template personalization. If this is disabled, there will be no option for the users to upload any images on the front end. Now, let's see how this setting change affects the customer experience on the front end. On the Product, Additional Information page, suppose a customer wants to personalize their order. In mass template personalization, they will have two options: Upload XLS, and Manual data. Our first option, the XLS file, is tailored for large-scale products. If a customer prefers to use an Excel file, they can choose that option. By selecting Upload XLS from the radio button, they will be prompted to upload their file directly. It's a powerful tool that allows you to manage extensive product catalogs with ease. With the XLS file option, you can simply download, fill in details, upload and summarize vast amounts of data effortlessly. Let's take an example. As a customer, you can simply fill up data in the downloaded XLS file, and browse the computer for the desired XLS file. Also, you can upload images in zip format, and make bulk upload with just a few clicks. Now, click on the Continue button, and once you go to the Mass Personalization Summary page, you can see records and preview samples by clicking on the Sample Preview button, as you can see here. Then, our system will process the data, and incorporate it into their order. But what if you have smaller scale products? Say hello to our new Manual data, or form filling option. It is designed specifically for products like stickers or labels, and this streamlined interface makes managing your data a breeze. Simply fill in the required template form fields, and you're good to go. As you can see here, customers will find a form where they can enter their data, and can upload images if required from the Upload button, else mark the default checkbox to use the default added image, as you can see here. Customers can specify a number here, for example, 5, and click on the Add More button. In this way, the system will add 5 more user fields as mentioned in the box. There is a Delete button as well on the right side, to remove the extra added fields. Each field corresponds to the required information for personalization. Once they've filled in the necessary details, simply click on the Preview button to see the preview, and then proceed to the next step by clicking on Continue, then click on Save and Add to Cart for the checkout process. And that's how the updated mass personalization setting works. By providing customers with the option to either upload an XLS file, or use the new form fill option, we've made the personalization process more convenient and flexible. We hope this update enhances your customer's experience, and simplifies the data entry process. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team via mail or live chat. Thank you.